Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Vienna airport with my friend Ramki. So we are going to Spain for next 10 days road trip. So we are going to take a car from Spain and roam around from Sevilla to Barcelona. See you there.
Gracias.
So guys, finally we reached Sevilla, Spain. So the total flight time was 3 hours 30 minutes. We are here in Plaza de Espano. Hey guys, this is my third day in Spain. I'm in Cordoba, the city. You could see the whole background. There are a lot of plants and flowers. It's really amazing city. So city of plants and flowers.
That is Visigoth 6th century. But in Cordoba, Roman 2nd century before Christ. But this is Visigoth 6th century.
Hey, this place actually reminds me of Rome. You know exactly. That's what Utsi was mentioning just now. Probably if you had come here in the evening, we would have had more people hanging out here. Nice restaurants by having a nice sangria. You know, that's how it should be spent.
39 degree. Oh man. So we are here in
Bodega de Mezquita.
So we are here to have our lunch. So this is called Mazamora.
This is good now. I love the flavors.
Hey guys, this is fourth day from Spain and we are in the city called Granada, and we are in the walking tour. It's a free walking tour. You can take it from the center of the city, and I'm exploring some good places with a good guide. And what's your sweet name?
Eduardo.
Eduardo.
Well, once stood the silk market. What we see now is not exactly the shop that we see now is not exactly those old ones. The original silk market.
நம்ம ஊரில் கிடைக்கிறது.
Yeah, like our bazaar.
திருக்கி வச்சிருக்காங்க 70s.
நம்ம ஆளுங்க அப்பே ரொம்ப இருக்கிறத பற்றி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லி ஆகணும். இது பல ஆண்டுகளாக நடந்துட்டுருக்கு. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது 2000 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நடந்த கிறுக்கல் இன்னும் ஐயாமல் இருக்குன்னா பார்த்துக்கங்க.
So guys, I'm done with the free walking tour. Next we are going to have our lunch. Then we will go to Alhambra. There is a palace in the top. So yeah, that's a plan. Hey guys, this is 5th day from Spain and we are here in the city called Cartagena. It's a small city. So I'm here in Cartagena city center.
விஷால் சார் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா ஸ்பீட் லிமிட்டையும் அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து ஸ்பீட் கேமராஸையும் செக் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காரு. இவர் தான் விஷாலோட
இல்லாட்டி vlogger ராம்கி வீட்டுக்கு தான் பில் வரும்.
ஆமா.
So we are here in Valencia. So we drove from Alicante to Valencia and it took 2 hours.
This is our new hotel. It's called Sercotel Sorella, and we are gonna go inside.
guys, this is my 7th day in Spain, Barcelona. So we are going to explore Barcelona today and tomorrow, and day after tomorrow I'm back to Austria.
Here you can see Camp Nou Tour and Experience. We are heading to Camp Nou Tour and Experience right now. I'm an avid Barcelona fan, so this is gonna be so exciting for me. And stuff. There are a lot of things to see. Are you excited? Guys, let's go. And this is the entrance of the Camp Nou Tour. Let's go. Now you can see the dressing room of the Barcelona players. Let's go inside.
And if you like this video,
Hey guys, you should like,
Share.
comment, subscribe to Ingenious.
Tamilan.
bye.
Nice, very good job. Very
இது சும்மா ட்ரைலர் தாமா. மெயின் பிக்சர் நீ இன்னும் பார்க்கல. பார்த்த ஆடி போயிடு.